Hello, and welcome to another video of CodeBot for SAP SuccessFactors. In this demo, we will export data from one instance and import that to another instance. On the dashboard, click on Import Export Data module tile. Then enter into your workspace. Now, click on Add New Iteration. Select the instance from the drop-down, and all the information will be auto-populate. You just need to enter the SF username and description. Finally, click on Submit Form. This will create a blank workbook. At first, we need to export data from instance 1 to import it to another instance. Selecting Generic Object Business Unit in column C and typing sheet name in column D. Set the status to pending in column N. This process will allow the bot to create a new tab in the workbook and pull down data. Back in CodeBot, click the hamburger menu and click on Process Workbook. Here, we have SSO implemented. We will type execution notes and check Import Data checkbox. At last, click on Confirm and Start. The status is changed to processing. To see the details of execution, click on the eye icon. Wait until the execution is completed. Once completed, you can see the screenshots in the logs, which shows that the export job is completed. Open the workbook and notice that the tab is successfully created and it contains all the information in it. Back to the Config tab. Now, let's select Import in column B, Business Unit in column C, Sheet Name in column D. Set the status to pending in column N. This will prepare a blank tab. Back in CodeBot, click the hamburger menu and click on Request Reprocess. Click the hamburger menu again and click on Prepare Workbook. We have SSO implemented, so we will log in using SSO. Enter execution notes and check Select All checkbox and click on Confirm and Start. The iteration is now processing. Wait until the execution is completed. Once complete, open the workbook and notice that the Import tab is created. Now, open the Export tab, which has the data in it. Copy the data and paste the data in the Import tab. Note: before you paste the data, match the columns headers to prevent errors. Back in Config tab, make sure the status is set to pending for Import tab. Back in CodeBot, click on the Edit icon to change the instance, as we are importing the data to another instance. Select Host Address from the drop-down. If the instance is an IS, paste the IS host address for the respective instance. If not, remove the IS host address. Enter Company ID SFSF username and click on Submit Form. Now, click on the hamburger menu and click on Process Workbook. This instance is not SSO enabled, so we will enter SFSF password here. Enter execution notes. And check the Import Data checkbox, then click on Confirm and Start. The iteration is now processing. Click the eye icon to track the progress of the execution. Refresh the logs to see the updated information. Once complete, review the logs. Open screenshot to see that the import job is completed. Open the workbook and notice green highlights in the Config tab. Navigate to the Import tab in Unit and notice the data is highlighted in green, which means it is successfully pushed to the instance. To verify, open your SuccessFactors instance and navigate to Schedule Job Manager. See the job details and notice the job status. The data is successfully imported using CodeBot for SAP SuccessFactors. Thank you for watching.